President, Chief Executive, Republic of the Philippines, Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., Chief of Staff of AFP, General Romeo S. Bronner, Secretary of DND, Gilberto C. Teodoro Jr., Commander of RESCOM, Major General Romulo A. Manuel Jr., Commander 7 RCDG, Colonel Raimundo Banyares, INF, GSC, PA 702, CDC Director, Major Larry A. Endozo, INF, PA, Commandant, Colonel Wendell B. Paredes, PARET, Assistant Commandant, Second Lieutenant Eduardo L. Magnanao, PARES, Admin NCO, SSG Renante S. Latosa, NSTP Coordinator, Janmar S. F. Avergonzado, MSIT, Vice President Dr. Anthony M. Penaso, Campus Director Jean F. Nebrea, Training Staff Vice Balilihan, ROTCU, MSG John Vincent C. Tanyeza, ANFPA, MSG Marcos Castro, PA, RES, Sergeant Antonio Miro, PA, RES, Sergeant Arnel Bukil, PA, RES, Sergeant Roseller S. Eludar, PA, RES, Corps and Staff Vice Balilihan, ROTCU, Corps Commander, Cadet Colonel A. Aaron Vincent O. Dapar, First Class, XO Adjutant, Cadet Lieutenant Raymart B. Lumaad, First Class, Staff 1, Cadet Lieutenant Queenie Langamin, First Class, Staff 2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jonas B. Numeral, First Class, Staff 3, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Vincent Semblante, First Class, Staff 4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Godfred P. Ago, First Class, Staff 7, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Arnel I. Casanova, First Class, Alpha Company, Company Commander, Cadet Major Kenneth L. Lucia, Second Class, Ex-Officer Cadet Major Adrian L. Limo, Second Class, Gidon Berer, Cadet Second Lieutenant Christian Gomez, Third Class, Bravo Company, Company Commander, Cadet Major Kent Luel I. Dugook, Second Class, Ex-Officer Major Cadet Major Earl Patrick Clarinan, Second Class, Gidon Berer, Jorex L. Peligro, Third Class.